The return of the wanderer. The interstellar wanderer has returned, brighter, clearer, and more hauntingly beautiful than ever before. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's golden eye in the dark, has turned once again toward the unknown. And what it has seen is rewriting everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. For the very first time, human eyes have captured a sharp, breathtaking image of the mysterious Three-Eye Atlas, a silent traveler drifting beyond the edge of our solar system. Three-Eye Atlas is only the third interstellar visitor ever discovered by humankind, after Oumuamua and Two-Eye, Borisov. But unlike those faint, fleeting traces, Webb has revealed this one in living detail. This is no blur, no trick of light or error in data. It is a portrait, vivid, intricate, and alive with cosmic memory. For astronomers, it is more than discovery. It is a bridge between stars, a message from the deep night of another world. We are not merely detecting a rock passing silently through our sun's domain. We are staring directly at a fragment of another solar system, a world that was not born beneath our sky. The image reveals an irregular, glowing form, its surface cracked and ancient, wrapped in a thin, ghostly halo of reflected light, a shimmering whisper of its long journey through the void. Webb's infrared gaze pierced the cold darkness, uncovering ridges and fractures carved by time, each mark a scar from collisions and cosmic storms. Unlike the sleek Oumuamua, Three-Eye Atlas is rough, raw, and ancient, a survivor shaped by both fire and ice. Spectral readings expose frozen carbon, silicates, and organic molecules, the same elements that forge worlds and perhaps even breathe the spark of life. It is proof that the seeds of creation are not bound to one place. They drift, quietly, through the galaxy, waiting for a world to welcome them. When the first image appeared, the control room fell silent. For a heartbeat, no one spoke. Because everyone knew, what they were seeing did not belong to our sun. It was a relic, a messenger from another star system, wandering now through ours. Three-Eye Atlas has traveled for millions upon millions of years, its lonely path carved through the endless dark until, by cosmic chance, it drifted into Webb's sight. Beneath its frozen crust, faint warmth lingers, perhaps from ancient radioactive decay, or from the slow tumbling of its rotation. This is no lifeless stone. It is a living relic, still evolving, still whispering the story of its distant birth. It was first detected by the Atlas Survey in Hawaii, a system built to find near-Earth asteroids. When its hyperbolic path was confirmed, astronomers realized with awe, it came from beyond our sun. Ground telescopes tracked only its motion, its flickering brightness across the stars. But Webb, floating far from Earth's haze, was needed to reveal its true face. High above our world, its golden mirrors caught the chemistry of this traveler. The data astonished everyone. Its composition suggested a different kind of nursery, a system born around a faint red dwarf star. Humanity, at last, held a fragment of another solar system, a cosmic letter delivered across the Milky Way. Its reddish glow, painted by tholins and radiation-forged organics, mirrored the hues of distant comets, molecules that are the precursors of life itself. That means the seeds of biology may roam freely through the stars, waiting for the right planet to awaken them once more. Its uneven spin revealed a fragile cluster of rock and ice, a loose gathering of debris, held together by gravity, cold, and time. Webb even glimpsed faint jets of vapor escaping from its sun-touched side, delicate streams of gas that formed a shining halo around the wanderer. This gentle breathing of vapor turned Three-Eye Atlas into a comet-like phantom, a glowing specter against the darkness. Each new observation forced science to rethink how worlds are born, destroyed, and scattered between the stars. It reminded us that the space between suns is not empty, it is alive with the dust of creation. The message between stars when Webb's first image of 3I Atlas was transmitted to Earth. A hush swept across the world of science. On the monitors appeared not just data, but a message, a whisper from the deep dark between suns. For centuries, astronomers had dreamed of a moment like this, to see, with clarity, a fragment of another solar system, close enough to study, to understand. Now that dream had transformed into a photograph, glowing in golden light. Scientists gathered around the screens, their faces bathed in the reflection of a world that was not our own. The more they studied it, the more impossible it seemed. 3I Atlas was not a comet, not an asteroid, but a survivor. A wanderer born beneath a foreign sun. Its chemical patterns told of a different origin, a place of cooler light, perhaps orbiting a fading red dwarf star. Ratios of carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen revealed a chemistry untouched by our sun's design. A story written in elements from another corner of the galaxy. Its surface, rough and scarred, bears frozen ridges, shattered stones, and icy plains, a testament to time itself. Webb's instruments saw streaks of dust fused by radiation, clinging stubbornly to its crust for millions of years. In false color, it shone with deep bronze and crimson tones, signatures of tholins, complex organics shaped by cosmic fire. The same molecules that once floated in our own newborn solar nebula, perhaps helping to ignite life on early Earth. For astrobiologists, it was a revelation beyond words. If such molecules can cross the gulfs between stars, then life's ingredients are not rare. They are cosmic nomads, carried from world to world on wanderers like 3I Atlas. Its motion is elegant yet broken, a slow, uneven tumble, betraying its fragile, patchwork nature. Not a solid planet, but a cluster of fragments held together by gravity, ice, and memory. Webb's cameras captured vapor jets breathing from its sunlit face. The distant sunlight, soft yet persistent, warmed its crust just enough to wake ancient pockets of frozen gas. Each puff of vapor formed a thin veil around the traveler, a luminous halo that shimmered like a spirit in the dark. Scientists were stunned. No one expected an interstellar visitor to still be active, to still exhale life after drifting for millions of frozen years. Some warmth remains within its shell, a ghost of the star that once gave it light. That faint heartbeat turns 3I Atlas from a relic into a living witness of cosmic history. The discovery changes everything we know about how worlds form, evolve, and scatter into the infinite night. If countless such wanderers exist, then every solar system is sending fragments of itself outward, tiny ambassadors of matter and memory. Across eons, these fragments mingle and merge, seeding one another with dust, ice, and the chemistry of life. The galaxy becomes a vast, living ecosystem, each star nurturing the next. Perhaps 3I Atlas was once part of a young planet, shattered and flung into the dark by violent gravitational storms. Now it sails through eternity, carrying the story of its lost home. Every atom within it has journeyed farther than imagination allows. And yet, through Webb's golden mirrors, those atoms now share their light with us. Each photon, born around another star, traveled billions of kilometers, through emptiness, through silence, until it met a machine crafted by human hands. It is a meeting of two civilizations, one natural, one created. The triumph of Webb's vision is not just scientific, it is a song of curiosity, a proof of what wonder can achieve. From the first stargazers on ancient Earth to a telescope beyond the moon, humanity has carried one dream: to look farther, to understand more. Even as 3I Atlas drifts away, its image endures, a quiet emblem of connection between stars and souls. Because exploration never ends. It only moves from one horizon to the next. In the vastness between suns, every wandering fragment carries a story. And in learning their stories, we learn our own. We are made of the same dust that drifts through galaxies. We are part of the same endless voyage. And somewhere out there, under another sky, someone, or something, may be looking back, wondering about us, as we now wonder about 3i Atlas.